Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you another one through the settings. So let's open the phone, the dialer, and enter the code, which is *#06#. And after scrolling down in this pop-out window, we can see the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings, as I said. So let's open them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's tap on the version. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right in the middle of this section. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.